Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. So basically we are going to check how fast it works, if it is reliable, and we are going to make like 5 or 10 tries. And of course in this device you can find the fingerprint in this place. It's synchronized with the display. So let's try, let's lock the device, and then let's go with this fingerprint sensor. So as you can see, it works really nice. I can say that it's for sure not the fastest fingerprint sensor that I ever used, but it works not that bad. It works every time, and it's very important, because in my private smartphone Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, the Edge fingerprint sensor doesn't work that well. I have to put my finger for a few times until I unlock the smartphone. So right here into the Tab S7 Plus it works really well, and yeah, as you can see, it works fast, it works reliable, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.